In my previous video, we were talking about the news that on April 21st, 2020, Amazon would be slashing affiliate commission by almost 50%, and we talked about whether it would still be worth your time and effort being Amazon affiliate or Amazon influencer. But one thing that I didn't mention was that not every Amazon category would be affected by this changing. In this video, we'll talk about those categories and how you can still take advantage of this and make money. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this, to learn how you can turn your passion into a profitable business, or at least learn how to make some extra money on the side to support your epic lifestyle. For those of you who are new to our brand, our network, our YouTube channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Paul, Extra Hyperactive, and I'm the creator of Extra Hyperactive brand, the only active lifestyle brand that helps people live a happy, healthy, and adventurous lifestyle without the financial burden. And as I always say, unlike other online gurus out there, I don't just make money online by teaching others how to make money online. I only share my personal knowledge, experience, and expertise. And as many of you already know, I've been a loyal Amazon affiliate since almost 2011. Besides affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing, and their recently added influencer program, I've had my own store on Amazon by participating in Amazon FBA program, fulfilled by Amazon. I did Amazon Turk, I used Amazon Truck, I participated in Amazon merch, selling t-shirts. So I've made a lot of money with Amazon. And until recently, I was really grateful for that opportunity and for being part of Amazon. But this news that I learned about just recently, the upcoming changes that coming on April 21st, really made me think about whether I would still be a part of Amazon in the future. Even though in my previous video, if you had a chance to watch it, or if you're not, the link is down there, I still believe that even after these drastic affiliate cuts, after these drastic changes, it's still worth being an Amazon affiliate or Amazon influencer, especially if you're just getting started, especially if you're looking for a side passive income. Like I said it in my previous video, and I keep saying that do not rely just on Amazon. At least not anymore. You cannot do it anymore. And these changes that are happening in April, that's another proof that you cannot rely on Amazon. Amazon, as I said in my previous video, is in business to make money for themselves first. They don't care about their affiliates, their influencers, and the small business owners and entrepreneurs who still have their stores on Amazon, who still participate in their FBA program. They don't care about any of that. All they care is about money. As I said in my previous video, the reason why they're cutting affiliate commission is because they don't care if they have affiliates or not. They're making money anyway, especially nowadays with this coronavirus, when people have to shop online. As I said in my previous video, the Amazon stock went 13% up, and they fine, and they will be fine. As I said again in my previous video, even after this coronavirus is over, they will still be one of the 3 most profitable online e-commerce platforms: Amazon, Walmart, and Costco, right? So as I've just said, it's still worth being an Amazon affiliate, an Amazon influencer. It's still a decent way to have this income, passive income, making even extra 50, $100 a month, right? Doing nothing. If you have a decent social media following, if you have a really well optimized authority website or affiliate niche site, you will be making money one way or another. Maybe not as much as before, but you will still be making easy money, in my opinion. I don't know about you, but for me, making 50 or $100 a month dropped into my bank account at the end of the month, especially if I don't have to do a whole lot. But as I've just said, do not rely on Amazon. Do not trust Amazon. Make sure that you diversify not only the way how you make money online, but even diversify your niches. And that's exactly what we'll be talking about in this particular video. But before, let's go ahead and have a look at those changes, right, at the commission. One of the things that really killed me and a lot of people I work with is because these changes really affected me a lot, because as you might know, unlike other online gurus out there, I don't just promote everything. I don't just sell anything and everything online. I only specialize in fitness and travel industries, and I only specialize in affiliate marketing niches related to adventure travel, fitness, and the outdoor recreations. And those are the niches, those are the categories that really got affected. And as you can see here on the picture, if before I was making 5.5% selling outdoor gear, outdoor products, now it will be 3%. If before I was making 4.5% selling fitness gear, now it will be 3%. And health and personal care, again, I was promoting a lot of products related to health and wellness. It's 1%. It's just ridiculous, like I said. But as you might know, I have more than 100 affiliate niche websites, blogs, or niche related websites and blogs. So for me, even with these changes, I will still be making money. But if you just getting started, it's gonna really be tough for you to make money. And if you've been participating in Amazon affiliate program, just like me, specializing in a certain niche, maybe now it's time to reconsider that. So let's go ahead and look at the Amazon categories that were not affected by these changes. And these categories are 10% luxury beauty and Amazon coins. This is very important. This is something that I will be talking in my future videos. So make sure that you stick around, subscribe to YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, because this is a really amazing niche. I'm talking about Amazon coins, and I will talk about that later. 5% digital music, physical music, handmade digital videos. 4.5% physical books, kitchen, automotive, and 4% for Amazon Fire tablets, Amazon fashion, apparel, shoes, watches, jewelry, luggage, handbags, accessories. 3% for toys, 2.5% for PCs, DVDs, Blu-ray, 2% for television, digital video games, 1% for physical video games, video game consoles. Again, as I told you before in my videos, it's still important to make sure that you're focusing on your marketing niche, right? Especially if you're just getting started, you don't want to go too broad. You don't want to promote everything and anything, even though, you know, with all this affiliate commission going down, right? My advice, this is the most important part of the video, is that even if you do decide to try out these new niches, not new niches, but these Amazon categories that were not affected, you would still need to figure out how you're gonna align all these products with your personal brand, with your business, with your marketing niche. And I'm gonna, like I always say, I always share only my personal knowledge, experience, and expertise, and I always try to give you solid examples, right? For in my case, you know that I'm not a big fan of any of these categories that I've just mentioned, right? One category, as I just said, Amazon coins. This is still something new. This is something that I'm still learning. So I'm going to be very cautious about sharing my knowledge, experience, and expertise with that. But there's one category that I've been making pretty good money, even though I don't actively promote the products in that category. And I'm talking about apparel and shoes and luggage, right? Again, I'm not a big, I'm not a what they call fashion influencer, right? I'm not into fashion niche or anything like this, but you know that I'm a huge fan of Adidas, a few fan of other online fitness and outdoor brands like North Face, Columbia, and so on and so forth, right? And this is something that I promote from time to time. And if you're into outdoors, if you're into fitness, this is a great opportunity for you to maybe add fashion as part of your marketing niche. And like I said, for me, it's pretty easy because I'm even if I'm not actively promote fashion related products, I still love wearing the same Adidas, North Face, Burton, and all those brands. And whenever I do it, it's just easy for me to post a link. Hey, if you're looking for a jacket, if you're looking for a tracksuit or new shoes, here's a link. This way I'm making money, in this case 4%, promoting products that are not directly related to my marketing niche, but it still has a lot to do, right? Like I said, if I'm going hiking and I'm wearing a jacket, or I'm wearing pants or hiking shoes, this is something that I would promote by adding an affiliate link. The same goes for you. If you like me, if you're watching this video, chances are you like me, you're into an active lifestyle and you're looking for ways to support your active lifestyle. So this is one way. Instead of focusing just on promoting products from Amazon related to fitness gear, outdoor gear, now you can add apparel, shoes, luggage. It's if you're into travel, right? A lot of travel bloggers, they love promoting luggage. So hopefully many of them won't be affected by these changes. As for other categories that were not affected, I'm not sure how you would be able to align those categories, how you would be able to connect them to your existing marketing niche, to your personal brand. But if you know at least the basics of business marketing and branding, I'm pretty sure you will be able to figure it out. And as always, if you have any questions, if you need help with that, I'm here to help you in any way possible. But one category that, as I said, would be huge for me, it's going to be, I'm banking on it, and I suggest you pay attention to that: Amazon points. And we'll talk about that in my next video. This is something that I just recently started, literally when with this whole crisis started blowing up. It's going to be a big market for Amazon coins. So I really hope that you will be able to find a way to still increase your affiliate earnings. If not, again, there's a link to my previous video where I talked about how you could make more money by adding different strategies, right? If I also talked about this exact situation, that focus on your marketing niche, on your industry, but find a way to get into other niches, into other categories, but at the same time make sure that you align everything together, that you're still being true to your personal brand and your marketing niche and your business. And as always, as I've just said, if you have any questions whatsoever, I'm here to help you, and feel free to reach out for me, or subscribe to our YouTube channel, or follow any of my social media channels. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day.